Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to go incognito on your Mac. It's super easy, so let's jump right in. First, I'm going to show you how to do it in Safari. Go ahead and open your Safari web browser. Once it's open, click on File in the top System menu. In the drop-down menu, select New Private Window. You can also use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. Once you've selected it, a new private window will pop up. Now you can start browsing privately, just like normal. As you can see, it works exactly as you'd expect. Next up, I'm going to show you how to do the same thing in Google Chrome. First, open the Google Chrome web browser. Then again, click on File in the top System menu and select New Incognito Window. Of course, you can use those handy keyboard shortcuts too. Alternatively, click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner of Google Chrome. In the drop-down menu, you'll see the New Incognito Window option there as well. It will appear just like this. Go ahead and start browsing as you normally would. Let's try Google to see if it works, and yep, it's functioning exactly as we expect. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.